Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna learn about how to create an instance under ECU. So first, we have to go to instances. Then we have to click launch instances. Here we have to give our name of the instance. So let us give my web for now, and we have to select our operating system. Let us select Ubuntu and keep everything as it is. This and all. Then we need our key pair to log in. So let us create a new key pair. Let us give my key, and we have to select this in .pem for Mac OS, .ppk for Windows, as we use Windows putty in Windows. So let us create the key pair. After that, our key pair is downloaded to our Mac. uh, then here also let us select create a new security group, so it will be automatically created. Let us launch the instance. So the instance is launching. So our instance is working, it's running, and let us check. It is initializing. Let us wait for some for a minute. So let us select our instance here and copy this public IP address. After that, we have to go to our terminal. Let me just. After that, we have to give chmod 400, and then we have to paste the key pair, location of the path of the key pair. So I'll just drag and drop and click enter. After that, we have to give ssh hyphen I, and we have to paste this, drag and drop. Then we have choose the Ubuntu, so let us give Ubuntu at, and we have to paste this public IP address. So it's working. Sudo apt update y. Now let us install Apache 2. For that, we have to use this code sudo apt install Apache 2. So now we have to restart our Apache 2. For that, let us give this command sudo system ctl restart Apache 2. So our Apache 2 is restarted. Now we have to paste this public IP address in our web. Now it does not work because we have to change our security group to HTTP. So let us go and change it. This is the security group which got created. So here we have to go to inbound rules and edit our inbound rules. Here instead of SSH we have to give HTTP as we are using our web, and here we have to select IPv4 as we are using that IP address, public IP address. And after doing this, let us run this once again. So it works. This is how we are gonna